marker light flickering. Down, and we can get into right up in there. Right here. This is the marker light that's bad. So we're going to unplug this. We bought the new marker light from Ford. I'll throw up the part number. So let's plug this one in. Let's see if it works. Alright, got the new marker light plugged in. I'm going to test it and see if it's working. Hey. Alright. Alright, let's get it installed. This mounts in place with the set screw, and it also snaps into place so there's no concern about it being misaligned. And the rubber seal around is self-adhesive. When I took off the light, there was the old sealing residue, so I pulled off the big pieces, and then I used Goo Gone to clean up the remaining little bits that were left over, and then I sprayed it down to clean off the surface completely with glass cleaner.